I got a new one of these and a new one of these, and we're going to fit them to the calf racer. Welcome to my Suzuki GS 750 build. Right, here we go. When I was putting this video together, I was going to make or build a chain riveting tool for this episode. There's plenty of stuff online to show you how to do it on YouTube, or how to make one. So I was going to do one for this video. And all you need is one of these. Obviously one that's a bit bigger, because this is all I've got lying around. And one of these, which is a brake flaring kit, and as you can see, I've never used it. So I've got the bits lying around. You know, I could have done that, and I think it would have made an okay video. But for the incredible price of only $11.99, you too can be the owner of this fantastic motorcycle chain riveting tool. It comes complete in this fabulous blow molded case with a range of pins and dies to suit all of your needs. Where can I get one of these items, you ask? Just check in the link in the description. And you'll ask yourself, how you ever lived without it? So yeah, for $11.99, let's just get on with it. This is actually going to be the first time I've ever changed a chain on a bike. With all the bikes that I've ever owned, I've never actually changed a chain. So yeah, this is a new experience for me, so you're coming along on the journey with me, which could go two ways. So first off, I've unloosened the front sprocket nut. Yeah, there you go. Bit of a confession, I have actually had the nut off this before. Well, I had to cut the original one off because it was tight. So yeah, I had to skim a bit of metal off it, and then I could untighten it. So I've got a brand new nut for that, which is on it now. But anyway, so we're untightened. So the master link is here. Yeah, so these links are a bit more protruded than the rest of them. So what I need to do is grind them off or cut them down, and then use said new toolkit to push them out. Now, because I'm in the house, I'm not going to use the grinder on it because it's just going to make too much mess. So I'm going to have a go at them with a hacksaw. So this may take a while. So, are you sitting comfortably? Then we shall begin. So I'm going to do this with a hacksaw blade, a bit of rag and a glove. Yeah, safety first, people, safety first. Right, I think I've figured it. I think. Just give it a whirl. Is that bent? I think there's something in the bottom of this thread that's just not letting these pins sit right. So where's my light? So much for the £11 motorcycle chain riveting toolkit. Chain is now on the bike and it looks alright. It looks good. It looks clean. It's not a gold one. For some reason I couldn't get hold of a gold one in the UK. But it looks good, it looks tidy. I'm sure it'll do the job. The old chain, it reached its service limits. So measure the 2 points between, I think it's 20 pins, and then you measure the distance between them. It was way out, so yeah, it had to go. And as you can see from the sprocket, as well, the front sprocket, that needed changing as well. So yeah, front sprocket, sorry. Torque setting for that is 39 to 58 Newton meters, and also what have we done? Get my place. Yeah, so chain's been tightened up via the bolts on the back of the bike. That's been tightened up, so we've got about an inch or less play on the chain. And the rear axle nut, that is 83 to 110. Sorry, 83 to 112 Newton meters. So I've done it up to 110. Yeah, it's fine. It's secure enough. Right. So what happened with the chain riveting tool? I couldn't get it to work. I don't know if it was me or the tool. I don't know. I just couldn't get the link to come off. It was getting to a point where the tool would have probably broken. I was putting that much pressure on, trying to push the pin out. It just, yeah, I think I'd have ended up breaking the tool. So I went for, I guess, the tried and tested chisel and hammer approach, but it seemed to work. So did I actually need this tool at all? Probably not. I should have checked the new chain, because obviously the master link in that had come with like a C clip or a lock clip that I've never seen before. So yeah, I probably didn't need it, but I mean, I used the tool just to compress that link section up, so you know, it was good for that. And then again, I've got it for another build anyway, so it's not a big issue, but oh well. So that's the chain and sprocket fitted on the bike. Probably not the best way of doing it, but it's on the bike at the end of the day, and it looks good, so there we go. If you're enjoying this build, please have a look at my other videos. It's greatly appreciated. And I'll tell you what, if there was anything you spotted while I was fitting this chain, and like maybe I was using the tool wrong, I don't know, just drop a comment in the comment box and just let me know. Greatly appreciated. It's always good to have a bit of feedback, and to be honest, I'm sure I was using the tool wrong anyway. So anyway, yeah, drop a comment, and I will see you next time.